Hi everyone, this is Dr. Carol from Enhanced Integrated Wellness in Hingham, Massachusetts. So just for a review, I'm going to show you a technique to kind of keep some strain off of your back, and it's called a hip hinge. So you really want to learn to move from your hips first before you squat down or go to pick something up. So take a pole or a broom handle, place it behind you, point at your head and a point at your tailbone. And then what you're going to do is move from your hip. So you poke your tail, keeping the pole against your head and your tail. Come down, you feel it in your hamstrings, and then you come right back up. You don't want the pole to come away as you round your back. So you don't want to round or poke your head. You want to keep your spine nice and straight and move from your hips. Feel it in the hamstrings, and then come right back up. So it's a great way to start learning how to move through your hips and not through your back. So it keeps the strain pretty minimal. So I hope you enjoy doing that, and I hope it helps keep the strain off your back. Have a great day. Bye.